In this tutorial, we have to add a SignalR Hub for real-time updates. Let me explain what we actually want to do. This is our client-side application and this is the server side. Now this client-side application, it tells the server side to do a process for it. The server side communicates with the YouTube server and starts getting the content. Now when the content is coming from the YouTube server, a progress has to be sent to the client. A progress % has to be sent to the client. So this has to take place in real time. If it has downloaded 10%, then the same figure should show on the client side. So this is what we basically want. For real-time communication, ASP.NET Core, it provides us two things. First of all, it provides us a SignalR.JavaScript file. This JavaScript file handles the client side, and on the server side, it provides us a class called Hub. This is a base class, and we can inherit from this base class to create our own class for some customization. So precisely in this tutorial, we will be obtaining a Hub class and writing this code for this JavaScript file so that we are able to establish a connection, a SignalR connection. That is the only thing we have to do in this tutorial. We will establish a connection and confirm that the connection is actually established. In the coming tutorials, we will actually send the progress and see a progress bar on the client side. This progress bar will progress and show the percentage. So let us start. This is our Solution Explorer where I have added a Hubs folder. The first task is to create a Hub class, so I will double click and open it and explain the features. As I told you, this class will come from the Hub base class, and I have written a class called Progress Hub. This is a logger coming from dependency injection, and I have overridden on connected async. So let's have a look at what we have done there. This function is called when the first connection between the client and your server side is established. And here what we do is, we first of all obtain the email of the logged in user. Then this email is stored with the connection ID for later use, so that we can send updates to this particular connection ID whenever a progress is received from the YouTube side. And a group feature, it is provided by the Hub class. This group feature allows us to save the connection ID with the user email. And here we have written log information this email has connected. So this log will be seen by us. We will see this log in the console window to confirm that we have actually established our connection. I'll show this again to you. This is the only thing that we have done. We have basically overridden the on connected async. Now the next thing that we have to do is, we have to make a few additions to the program.cs file. So first of all, this we have already done in the previous tutorials. We have, as you can see, add SignalR service. This is one thing that you have to do. And the second thing, we have added a